Let's unbox and flip through the Messy Corner 2024 planner. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl, and today another unboxing, flip through and review of a 2024 planner. And for this video we have the 2024 planner by the Messy Corner. First I would like to thank the Messy Corner for sending me their 2024 planner. I'm so thankful for that. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It came safely in this carton box, and when you open, this is how first it looks. I will link the planner link in the description box below. You can check it out and get the variant that you really like. I went with Rise and Thrive. It's safely bubble wrapped, and then I can able to spot some other things as well. We have this DIY card wallet, and then this. Let's look at those later on, and that's what's inside the box. First let's look at the planner. I'm so curious and excited. So this is how the box looks like. It looks really aesthetic. It says a Rise and Thrive, and here they have mentioned Escape the Ordinary. This is their website through which you can purchase their products, and here's some cute element. Now let's open the box together. Here's to a brighter year, and we have the planner. It looks so pretty. And this is a customized planner, guys. I really like this cutting right now. Of course you can repurpose and use this box to store any other things, or you can keep your planner as well safely. As you can see, this is a customized planner. Like, they can customize for you with your name on your planner. How cool is that? It's so personalized, and that way it's just perfect for gifting purpose. If you're looking for like New Year gift, or if you have a friend or a loved one who just into planning, being organized and staying productive, this would be like a best personalized gift for them. I really like the overall vibe of the cover page, and we have a notebook. Let's have a look at this later on. As usual, planner comes first. So this is a spiral bound planner. If you guys follow me for a really long time, you know I love spiral bound planners and notebooks. The spiral bound quality looks really great. And at the back we have Growing and Glowing, which is a nice little quote or mantra. And here we have their website, and this is the cover page. The 2024 is written really pretty and a lot of butterflies, and I think it denotes sort of like a growth. We have to rise and thrive in order to grow in whatever area we want to. I customized it to Productive Girl, and I love it. It gives that personal connection. Right now, as I see the name that I want to have at the planner cover. And this is how the side looks like. As you can see, monthly tabs are available in this planner, which is really useful to flip through. As the months goes by, the monthly tabs will be really useful, and we can able to know how monthly tabs is really needed. So nice, guys. Now let's open and flip through the planner. First we have this planner belongs to page, wherein you can write down your name, and here it says if found please return to. You can write down your contact details as well. Next is the letter from the Messy Corner. So it's a nice little letter from them that you can read. Next we have Rise and Thrive. What drives you? I really like the first line. The mood for 2024 is simple. Wake up and choose yourself. That's it, guys. So simple. Next we have Everything You Ever Wanted. So this is a space to do your vision board. So this is a 2024 vision. So you can use this space to pen down your goals and aspirations for the year ahead and get going. It's a nice little space that you can use it to get inspired every single day while you use your planner, or whenever you feel unmotivated, you can come back to this vision board. So you can stick pictures from magazines, or you can print it out from a shop and paste it here, or you can even draw or doodle the pictures or elements that represent your goals and vision. I do have an amazing vision board video that you can check it out. It will be really helpful for this time of the year. I will link it on the screen right now and also in the description to check it out after watching this video. Next we have Sticker Station. I really like the name Sticker Station, and we have a lot of cute stickers on this Sticker Station. I really like this puppy one. Then we have Start Small. That's a gentle reminder for all of us. Girl Boss. Nice. Choose Gratitude. So we have 4 sticker sheets, which is simple and minimal. Next is a fitness plan, making health a priority. So you can write your fitness goals and what motivates you, habits to cut, habits to make in order to stay fit and healthy. Of course, guys, our health is a priority. Next is goal setting bingo. It looks fun. So as you complete each and every things inside the box, you can strike it off and shout bingo. So I really like how they have made goal setting sort of like fun and game. So some of the things are: prioritize your goals, maintain a work-life balance, identify potential obstacles, stay flexible in your approach. At the bottom they have mentioned that don't restrict yourself. You can use the above empty spaces to add on to the list and make this bingo special to you. You can also add anything else for the goal setting bingo. Next one is travel is the answer. So you can plan your travel in this space. Next is an amazing goal setting space. So they have segregated into life and work. So it's all about balance. I like that. Here we can write your career goals down and here you can write your personal goals. And I really like how specific this goal setting part is. Like you can write what is your goal, when you want to achieve that, and how you're going to achieve that. So how is the part where most of us like get overwhelmed and lack some clarity and just end up not achieving our goals. So you can write down your plans to achieve your goals. Once you tick off your plans one by one, your goal will be automatically achieved. I like how specific this goal setting spread is. Next is a monthly cover page. Monthly spreads begins. So first we have January, and I really like the cover page for January. Do it for your future self, which is one of my most favorite quote that I always get reminded about. Do it for your future self, not for others, just for yourself. There's good amount of space for you to write down any meetings, agendas inside each boxes. There is note section, and I really love brands when they provide the previous month and the next upcoming month calendar boxes, at least in a tiny way. It's so useful and we don't have to like flip through February, which is also kind of easy in this planner with the monthly tabs, but still it's quite useful which day some dates are coming to get to know about that. They have also provided the holidays, Republic Day, Pongal and everything, which is good. Next is the Jan overview. So these two pages is for overview of your month. You can set your goal for the month, challenges you might face, affirmations to keep going, habits that make you. You can track your habits on a everyday basis, and things I want to learn, priorities, birthdays, appointments, self-care days. I like that they have included the self-care days part, because when life happens or when life gets busy and overwhelming, we might miss prioritizing our self-care. So noting it down will be really helpful. Next is a weekly/daily layout page. It's so minimal and simple. If you're looking for like a simple minimalistic planner and you don't want too much going on in your planner, I think this is your best fit. We have date and days, which is great, and you can write what you're grateful for today, and you can also track your mood. So in this space you can write down your to-do list or journal or use it as a dear diary moment. It's totally up to you because it's your planner. I think space is quite good, and this like summarizing this week. You can use this space to summarize your week, maybe weekly reflections. You can journal about your week if you want. So these are weekly/daily pages. After this we have a note section that you can use it for whatever that you want. And then we have January reflections, and you can write down do more of, do less of. What are the small wins and big wins that happened this month, and how would you rate this month out of self-love, happiness, health, relationships, digital detox and finance. And also a quick recap. In the month of January, kindness towards others and kindness towards myself. What are the act of kindness that you did? End your month with gratitude. Thank the universe for how far you have come. Of course, gratitude is really important, so you can end your month with heart full of gratitude. Then here comes the next month, February. Brew a cup of confidence. Amazing. Since each and every month will be similar, let's quickly look at the monthly cover pages for each and every month. Again, it's going to be easy with the monthly tabs. This is how the March looks like. Progress, not perfection. This is the reminder that I needed. For April, we have celebrate every tiny victory. This is something that I always do, and I encourage you guys to do it as well. Next, for May, we have imperfection is a form of freedom. Impossible is for the unwilling. This is for June. For July, we have hold the vision, trust the process. August, we have don't wish for it, work for it. September is old ways won't open new doors. Find joy in the journey is for October. November is nourish to flourish. December is soul full of sunshine. Nice. It's like wholesome, last month of the year. It's like a wholesome quote. last few pages of December. So after December reflections, we have notes from 2024. Hello New Year, I'm ready. So it's really fun and cute. Better than ever. 2025. Oh my god, I really want to make this work. Personal goals and professional goals you can write down for 2025. And that's it. This is about this amazing planner. It's Viro bound. You can personalize with your name or your loved one's name to gift it. That's about this cute planner. Now let's come to the exciting freebies that I'm really excited about. I'm someone who always gets excited about the freebies a little more than the actual planner. If you're also like that, then comment down below this emoji and let's high five together. So these are the 3 freebies that you would get along with your 2024 planner. First, this is the DIY card wallet and a cute little notebook and a stationery pouch. So first, let's look at this DIY card wallet. You can make this wallet like yourself. This year, you're not just planning, you're creating. Build your own card wallet and set the tone for a 2024 filled with the spirit to rise and thrive. You can also scan for the tutorial, and at the back we have like the actual tutorial. You can try this and do like a DIY card wallet. And next, let's come to the notebook. It's just written 2024. It's a cute little pocket notebook that you can carry it easily in your handbag. It has this minimal aesthetic designs going on, and we have a lot of pages. So this is how the pocket notebook looks like. Maybe you do not want to carry your planner everywhere you go, to your college or office. You can simply carry this notebook, and if something pops in your mind that you want to write down in your planner, you can just write like a little glance in this pocket notebook, and later when you come home you can write down that briefly in your planner. Or you can just use it as a pocket notebook or anything else. There is like a lot of different ways to use a notebook. So that's that. Next, this is the stationery pouch. This is how the pouch looks like. You can keep like the necessary stuff here and you can just use it. It's sort of quite different. It's not like a usual stationery pouch, so it adds like a unique touch to it, and the quality is really nice. These are some exciting freebies that you get along with your 2024 planner. So that's about the 2024 Rise and Thrive planner by the Messy Corner. That too, the personalized planner. If you want to feel special or make your loved ones feel special, personalized planner is really good. The inside planner is also really great. I think this planner is best for someone who is a complete beginner to use their planner, or if they are into like simple minimal planner, they do not want too much in their planner, too many spreads. And also this is perfect for someone who's like busy, who's quite busy with their school, college or office. They want to incorporate planning into their life but want like a simple planner so that they can consistently use their planner. This will be perfect, as this planner have minimal spreads. For every day you can just write down the to-do list or journal and use the planner efficiently and consistently every single day, and you do not overwhelm yourself with too many spreads. So it's also perfect for busy people. And also this is like an affordable planner, I would say. And not only that, I have a special code for you guys, which is TPG10, which you use on their website. You get some discounts while purchasing this planner, so do check it out. I will leave the links, code, everything in the description box below. So what do you guys think about this planner? Let me know in the comment section below. And here is another 2024 planner unboxing and clip through video for you guys on the screen right now. Do click and watch it, and I will see you guys in that video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.